Hello everyone, I am Shushmita, the SME of Marnstack as a part of CorporatesGuide. Please like and share this video and subscribe to our channel. In previous session, we had discussed about React component and its type. So today's session, I will discuss about functional components. So what is this functional component in React? Functional components are just JavaScript function which contains some logic to perform certain actions. This component accepts the data as props and return the React element, which is nothing but our HTML element. So when you just want to make a new component, you can create a new file or you can create the component in a same file also. So now first of all, let's see that how we can create it with a new file. So let's take a new file that is called user.js. Keep it mind, whenever we'll create a new component, your first letter should be capitalized to maintain the standard of React. So here what you need to do, just write here function, then user. Here user is your function name. Okay, it should be your file name also. You can take any name, whatever you want, but this is good if you just make your component name with the file name. Okay, then just put here our curly braces, and in this curly braces type return, and here just takes a brackets and just put here h1 tag. In this h1 tag, we are just passing our first comment, that is our first components. So now after just creating this component, we have to import it. But before that, we have to tell that we want to export it by default or normal export. So let's say I just want to export it by default user. So export default and user. Okay. So now what is the meaning of export default and the normal export? So when you just want to export by default, then you can just import it like this. And I will tell you why. That is import user from user. That means this is the major part of your file. Okay. So now here you can see that this is our project which is working fine, and now how we can use this component. For that, you just need to put here simply users in our HTML. Okay, then you will just get your output. So let's just write here user and save it. And this is working fine. So If you don't want to export it by default, then you can just simply remove this, and here you can just write export, and you just need to here put the curly braces in this user. Okay, then save it and refresh this page. So this is also working fine. Okay, so what is the next thing? Let's just create components in a same file. Okay, so just copy this code and comment it out, and just define this code into here, and import and comment this import line also, and just you can need to save it and go to our main page and just refresh it. So this is also working. So I'm just change this line, that is our first component in our same file. So save it and just run into our React app. So it is working fine, and in this same file you don't need to import and export kind of things. That is the simple way for creating this functional components in the same file. Okay, so that's all for today. Thanks for watching.